X303 Cam, no more Comp Cam. Got a little problem with that. How to cam swap a Bronco. Couple seconds, you know, you just remove all this shit. Pull the cam out. Fun fact with this cam, you gotta change the distributor gear. I don't know if you can read that, probably not. Whatever, that's the grind that Comp Cam. It where is it? It ruins your cam, as you can see. Maybe not so much. Ruins it. Those teeth are gone. Folded up, piece of shit. Wasted $300, fucked all my shit up. Awesome.